course, we gotta bring back out the extra long Santa hat. There we go. Now things feel right. Hey everyone, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. Maybe I should have introduced myself as AmandaClaus because hashtag AmandaClaus is back, y'all, and I am pumped. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a couple different holiday bullet journal spread ideas. As much as we all love Christmas time, I know things can get a little hectic and crazy, so hopefully these spreads will keep your mind organized during this festive time, or if anything, maybe it just gets you in the holiday spirit. Either way works. I did a video like this last year, so if you haven't seen it yet, I'm going to link it above so that you guys can check it out if you want even more inspiration for your holiday bullet journals. But before we get into it, I'd like to give a quick thank you to Squarespace for supporting this channel and sponsoring this video. Whether you need a domain, a website, or an online store, make it with Squarespace. So I'll talk a bit more about them later in the video, but without further ado, let's get on into the festivities. I feel like this should be the transition. Alright, so first up is the most important spread. Of course, we have to do a Christmas countdown. This year, I decided to do it in a fun shape, so I'm drawing out a Christmas tree, and then of course all of the ornaments are going to be what we're counting down with. Make sure you use a pencil to sketch out all of the ornaments beforehand, just so you know that you have enough space to fit all of them and you know the layout and everything. And once you have that all set, color in the tree with your favorite green marker and label all of the ornaments with numbers, and you're ready to start counting down. Essentially what I'm going to be doing is coloring in each ornament as I count down. You can choose whatever color you want to color it in with, and then on Christmas I will fill in the final one, which is the star at the top. The next spread is a version of the Christmas countdown, but it's a bit different. It's a Doodle a Day Christmas edition. That's what I'm calling it. As you can see, I'm drawing out a grid, and unfortunately 25 is kind of a weird number, so I was only able to do 24 boxes in a 4x6 grid, but honestly that's probably fine anyways because I don't think I would be doing it on actual Christmas Day. I numbered each box, and basically in each box I'm going to be doing a different Christmas themed doodle. Now you can leave it empty and just come up with the ideas on the day of, or you can do like I've done and add in little prompts. If you want a list or ideas for prompts, I actually have a whole video all about Christmas doodle ideas, so hopefully that'll spark some inspiration for you. The next spread is more of an organizational tool for Christmas. I know it can get very hectic, so I thought it would be cool to do a little Christmas plans spread where you outline different things that you have to do. I decided to split it up into 4 different categories, but you can do as many or as little as you want, and you can also customize the categories depending on what you need for your own Christmas plans. So I have one that's activities to do, shopping to do, like let's say I have to buy some decorations or some cards or something like that. I also have movies to watch, and then a general to-do list. Again, very personal to what I need. Feel free to change it up depending on your holiday plans. For the next spread, I'm doing a holiday gratitude log. I knew I wanted to do this one just because I thought it would be good to give ourselves daily little reminders of things to be grateful for or things that make us happy, especially during the holiday season. So I'm drawing out this really long candy cane, and every single stripe on the candy cane kind of differentiates each day. Again, you might want to sketch it out just so you know you have the right spacing, but once you're sure, you can outline it, color it in, and then fill in all the numbers. I also decided to use a ruler to draw some lines straight across just so that I could be a bit more organized every single day. And I'm really excited to just sit down on the daily and think of little things that make me happy. It can be anything as simple as the smell of the fresh Christmas tree, something like that. Okay, the next spreads are the gift ideas / gift tracker spreads. Giving gifts to people is my favorite part of the holiday season, but it can get a little overwhelming because I always have so many ideas, and then you have to buy them and make sure you wrap them all. So I thought I would do an all-in-one spread where you can track all of this and make sure all of your gift giving gets done. So as you can see, I drew this big gift, and within the box, the ribbon differentiates the different sections. If you have more people to give gifts to, you can do multiple of these pages and just keep going until you have enough gift spots. And then within each little spot is where you'll put your different gift ideas, and then I'll show you later how I kind of track how everything is getting done. But anyways, next to it is the stocking stuffers spread. Similar thing, I drew this big stocking, and then each segment on the stocking is for a different person. Next to each gift idea, I just have 3 little circles, one for making sure that it's made or bought, one for making sure that it's wrapped, and then one for when it's given. So I'll just cross those off as each step is complete. We're on to the final 2 spreads, one of which is the cards to send tracker. I drew out 3 cards, and this is just so I could differentiate it between different categories. I have one for family, friends, and work. And if you have more categories, you can do multiple of these cards, but basically I'll just be writing a list of people that I need to send cards to within that box. And finally, we have the Christmas dinner tracker. Now, this might not be applicable to some of you, but for any of you who are hosting a holiday dinner party or a dinner get-together of some sort, this spread might be helpful for you to organize everything, because I know hosting can get a little hectic. So I've split it up between dishes, ingredients to buy, and then any notes that you need to remember about that recipe. Those were all of my holiday bullet journal spread ideas designed specifically to help you stay organized during the holiday season. Now, stay tuned because there is an Amanda Claus giveaway at the end of this video. Alright everyone, so I'd like to take this time to quickly talk a bit about Squarespace, whether you need an online store to sell your own products, or if you need to transfer or set up a domain, Squarespace has you covered. It's really easy to create a beautiful and professional looking website using their all-in-one platform. There's nothing to install, patch, or upgrade, none of that fuss, and they have a bunch of beautiful designer templates for you to use as a starting off point for your own website. And should you ever need any help or support with your website, they have award-winning 24/7 customer service. So if you guys want to try out Squarespace for yourself and see all of the awesome features, go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and then when you're ready to launch, you can go to squarespace.com/AmandaRachLee for 10% off your first purchase of a domain or a website. So thank you to Squarespace for supporting the channel, and that brings us into the outro and another Amanda Claus giveaway. So hold on, this is very important. I can't talk about this giveaway unless the Santa hat is on. Okay, so as I mentioned, hashtag Amanda Claus is back, which basically means that any holiday themed related video that I'm doing, I'm going to be doing a little giveaway. They're gonna be pretty low key. I'm probably not even going to announce it in the title of most of the videos. So all of you guys who are the true peeps who watch to the end and who actually engage with me will be the ones who are rewarded. And I might even throw in a couple secret surprise ones where I just randomly DM people who are active on Instagram and I see them a lot on my posts or something. So it's gonna be a fun couple of weeks. Hope you guys are excited for hashtag Amanda Claus. For today's giveaway prize pack, I'm giving away another little bullet journaling, doodling essentials package that has some of my personal favorite supplies that I use for bullet journaling. So if you guys want to enter for this one, I'm gonna leave the rules and all of the things that you need to know in the description box below. Yes, it is international, so have at it. Have fun. Also, while we're on this topic, maybe you guys can help me come up with some fun things that we can do during hashtag Amanda Claus. So one, what are some things that you want to see me give away? Be as specific as you want. 2, if there are some fun ideas you have in terms of like the actual giveaway entries, maybe we do a giveaway where you guys have to doodle something or have to doodle a funny picture of me or something like that. So let me know. This is meant to be fun and easy and quick, so I hope you guys are excited for the rest of Amanda Claus and all of the holiday content to come. So click that bell button down below if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video, and you can follow me over on my Instagram at AmandaRachLee if you want to see more of this face and stay updated with all of the holiday fun. But I think that's pretty much it, so keep doodling and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!